The customer service team owns the relationship with the customer from the very start of the PO entry all the way through the manufacturing process, through the shipping process, to ensure that we have on-time delivery, we have materials from start to finish.
Commercialization is really turning something that's kind of an idea into a sellable product. So I'm able to take something that's just like a sample that somebody approved, but I'm able to get it set up with a label, I'm able to get it set up with a carton, I'm able to, get this formula that they're looking for set up. So I'm able to take just ideas and get them into products.
Anytime we add a new product line or a new customer, it's building trust, it's involving them in the process and making sure that they're kept up to date on what's going on. Just involvement, communication, flexibility, those are all things that are important to this business.
What's special about Chem-Pak is that we have 60 years of experience behind us, in lab and formulation experience and expertise, and a full lab with a technical director and our chemist who can partner with our customers to bring their product concept to reality and bring them from concept to commercialization.
We actually, in fact, are our customers' manufacturing arm. We take that role very seriously, right? Our customers depend on Chem-Pak to bring them great quality product that they can sell successfully in the marketplace. Dependable service, consistent deliveries. It's a win-win mentality that we bring to our customers.